Now we are going to discuss the next group of the viruses, viroids, prions. Viroids, prions. Viroids and viruses are completely different, right? Why? Because actually this was identified first in the 1971. Mr. T.O. Diner. Mr. T.O. Diner identified the viroids in 1971, and actually these are infectious agents. These are infectious agents, and that was smaller than viruses. Actually, we have thought about that viruses are the smallest organisms, but viroids are smaller than viruses, and they caused a potato spindle tuber disease. Potato spindle tuber disease in plants, right? And see that it is found to be a free RNA. Okay, we thought of that already. Viruses are having a DNA or RNA. These are free of RNA. And it lacks the protein coat. Actually, having protein coat is a characteristic feature of viruses. But here, no protein coat. Viroids doesn't have any protein coat, and hence the name called viroid. If there is a protein coat, they comes under viruses. There is no protein coat, they are called as viroid. Later, this RNA of viroid is low molecular weight. It's the most important bit. Okay, the RNA of viroid is low molecular weight. The next group of viroids is prions. These are some infectious agents. These are also causing infections in other organisms, and which possess only proteins but not nucleic acid. Only they have proteins. Here it is the no protein coat. No protein coat. Here they have only protein but not nucleic acid. We can see the differences, right? Such agents are called prions, right? The microorganisms which having only protein but not nucleic acid, they are called prions. The organisms which having only protein coat, only nucleic acid but not protein, they are viroids. The viruses, they are having both nucleic acid and also protein. We can see the differences, right? And they cause scrapie disease in sheep, right? These are infectious agents, right? Infectious agents means causing diseases, spreading diseases. So here they causing scrapie disease of sheep and mad cow disease in cows. Okay, because these are infectious agents which causing damages or ill health to the sheep as well as to the cows also. This is the few important points regarding viroids and prions.